So in order to create this style, right click on all points, properties. I have to create a copy of this. I will edit that. Right click, copy current selection. I am changing the name, new style, apply, click on layout. In this window some I explained already, but now I am creating this one. Let me zoom in this point so we can see clearly. So you guys can see we have component here already. The component name is northing easting. So this northing easting I have no need now. I will delete this component. We can add all these details in one component also, and we can create the multiple component for each detail as well. I will explain the both way how we can do it. So what I have to do, cross delete component. Okay, now we have nothing here. Now I want to create a new component. Click here, create text component. So the text component came here. The first thing, I am giving the name of this component. I am giving the name new style because I am adding all the text in one component. So I am not giving the specific name. We have to give the specific name once we are creating the separate component. But first of all I am creating the combined component. Okay, click here. Now you guys can see the new component came here. Now the visibility is required as I explained before. Okay, anchor point. Okay, this mean, for example, let me reduce the size first, 0.5, so you guys can see the clear picture of the changes. So the anchor component I will explain later on. This label is anchor with this point. Okay, we can say this text is attached with this point. Now if you guys can see the anchor point, this label is above left side of this point. For example, I want to change it to the center, top center. The text came above the point and in the center. Now right click. So you guys can see the text label came above the point on right side. For example, I need to change it to the middle left, middle center, middle right. But in my case I am keeping the right side on top. So the text will be parallel of the point above. We can make it up and down later on. Now I have to add the content here. Click here. So these things we can edit here. Okay, if we need the point number, name, easting, northing, elevation, point elevation, description, full description, raw description, full description, whatever we have required we can give it from here. But for that, first of all I am giving the point number. So what I have to write here, the text is not visible, so I have to change the style and color a little bit to make it visible. Now it is clear. So first of all I need the point number. Click here like this and click here. So you guys can see the formula came here. Okay, you guys can see the point number came here. So it will look like this above. I have to change attachment to the left side. The point came on this side. It will look like this. Apply. See, let me zoom out a little bit more so you guys can see the clear picture here. Again, properties, edit. Now the second thing, I need the northing. So if you want to add a new component for this, just click here and the new component will come and you can adjust it like this. But I am adding in one component all these text. Delete this one. Click on content. Now click here and enter. The next is northing equal to Now first of all we can change the unit from here also. Precision how much required? 3. Okay. Other thing I am keeping the same. Click here and click this arrow. Apply. You guys can see the northing came below. Okay. Apply. Okay. Apply. You guys can see the northing came here. Again edit. So now I am adding the remaining things quickly. Click here. Enter. Easting equal to. Click here easting. Precision is required 3. Okay. Enter. The next is elevation equal to. Here the point elevation. 3 precision is required. Click the arrow. Enter. The next is description. Now click the description. Click here. Click like this. Now all the things is completed. Okay. You guys can see it will look like this. Okay. Apply. You guys can see all the detail came here. So that's it guys. This video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.